In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove you may like suggestions in TikTok. So if you go to search here, you might see these suggestions as you can see, and you want to remove them. So let me show you the steps you can take. So first go to profile, click at the top right, settings, and here you want to go to notifications. Scroll all the way down, you're going to see a tab that says personalized post suggestions. So here it says reposted by others, posts you might like, posts from people you may like. Just make sure you have all of these like disabled. Disable this one, and this one. So let me just disable these two. Okay, that's good. So after you do this, you can just go back here. So here what you're gonna do is click at the top right and click in the settings again, and you're gonna go to activity center and simply delete your search history. So go here, select all search history and delete it, and this way it can just clear up the suggestions. So go back here all the way, and then once you go back to home and search, you're gonna see some of the suggestions here. So go all the way down and click help us improve, and here what you're gonna do is simply the suggested searches are not interesting or personalized. Just select this one and start selecting these suggestions, because when you select them and then click submit, it will just remove them, as you can see. So as you can see here, it will remove them like when you refresh it. So once you go back and just start removing more of these, click on this one again and just start removing them again. The more you remove, the more the less you will see them. So just keep removing these suggestions and you should be good. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.